Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Varstrom. I'm going to start a super cool challenge, from 0 to 1 to DIY a set of e-bike. For finishing this challenge, I have prepared full sets of tools. Look everybody, isn't it very professional? The core component this time is this Tongsheng TSD Z8 mid-drive motor, which is the power source of this e-bike. Come on, check out its exquisite craftsmanship and strong performance description. I reckon it will bring us a pleasant surprise. Let's start to work together and create our own exclusive e-bike. Let's sort out the tools and prepare to go to town. If you're into my content, do like, comment, subscribe, and share. That's really important for us. See you next time.